In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable autofill passwords in Microsoft Edge so you can sign in faster and make logging into your favorite websites much easier. If you've been manually typing passwords every time, this quick setting can save you a lot of time, and it also helps make your browsing experience smoother and more convenient. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. From there, scroll down and choose Settings. This is where all of Edge's important browser options are located. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Passwords and Autofill. Depending on your version of Edge, this may appear under Profiles or a similar account-related area, but the goal is to get to your password management settings. Click into Passwords and Autofill and then open Microsoft Password Manager. Microsoft Password Manager is the built-in feature that helps Edge store and automatically fill in your saved passwords and passkeys. Once you're inside Microsoft Password Manager, click Settings. This is where you will find the options that control autofill behavior. Now look for the toggle that says Autofill Passwords and Passkeys. If it's turned off, click the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, Edge will be able to automatically suggest and fill in your saved passwords and passkeys when you visit login pages. After that, you can close the Settings tab, and your changes will be saved automatically. Now, the next time you go to a website where you already have a saved login, Edge should be ready to fill it in for you. Just click the password suggestion or let the browser offer it automatically, and you'll be signed in much faster. If nothing happens right away, make sure the website login was previously saved in Microsoft Password Manager and that autofill is still turned on. Also check that you're signed into Edge with the same Microsoft account where your passwords are stored. That's really all there is to it. You've now enabled autofill passwords in Edge, and you can start using passkeys and saved logins more efficiently. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.